Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Hiroyasu NH31 citizen band antenna. It works on 27 MHz, maximum power we can use around 20 watts. And this is telescopic antenna. In my case, antenna has SMA female connector. Let's see the length of the antenna and measure. The length of the antenna 1 meter and 30 centimeters. You can find the BNC connector, SMA male connector and SMA female connector. The telescopic antenna works around 29 MHz, close to the 30 MHz, 29.9. Around 27 MHz is WR more than 3.0.
Testing, audio. This is Citizen Band Radio with the Hiroyasu NH31 antenna, telescopic antenna. The radio you can see inside the building. I am with the second radio outside the building. Testing, audio, Citizen Band, 27 MHz, test, over. I hope the radio catch the signal pretty well, because I left my camera inside the building and I don't know the level of the signal and the result of the video. Thank you for watching my video. Leave a comment, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.